Hello everybody, welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, I'll be unboxing this Texas Instruments TI-30XIIS. I had trouble reading that, but it's TI-30XIIS. And so, in case you guys don't, you guys are probably sure that, or you guys probably know that I'm starting school tomorrow, or I'm going back to school tomorrow, and so hence I need a very specific calculator. And so I'll have a buy link to this in the description if you guys need it, but this is the Fundamentals Scientific. And the reason why you have to have a very specific calculator for school is so that way if teachers have to help you, there's only one calculator that everybody has. So it's the Fundamental Scientific. As you can tell, it's Texas Instruments #1 brand recommended by teachers. It's TI-30XIIS, trademarked. Fundamental Scientific 2-line screen, general math, statistics, and science. Has general math, statistics, and science functionality. It works for general math, algebra, geometry, statistics, and general science. And it is permitted in the SAT, ACT, and AP. If anybody knows what the AP is, please let me know, because I actually don't know what an AP is. I know what SATs are. They're tests to prepare for going to college. And I know what ACTs are, which are like standard state testing for high school. And it has a 2-line screen, and can be powered either by solar or battery. As you can tell, its quantity of this is 1. And it says again, TI-30XIIS, Texas Instruments logo right here. Fundamental Scientific 2-line scientific calculator for general math, statistics, and science. You can view the input and the output, which is the calculation and the answer together. You can scroll up or down to review recent calculations, which is actually pretty cool. And for more information, you can visit education.ti@ti.com. As you can tell, it compares all scientific calculators. The basic one, as you can tell, has only one. As you can tell, it uses comparison. This one right here has 2 display lines, two variable statistics, fraction, decimal conversion, trig, log, trigonometry, logs, and exponents. And a big feature of this thing, which separates it from the basic one, is that it's got edit, cut, and paste entries, and this is powered by solar and battery power. So now let's go ahead and let's get this baby open. Why can't they use higher quality packaging? You know, I'm used to Apple boxes, but this is probably the worst tech box I've ever gotten, or I've ever seen. Let me see if I can. I'm not great at opening boxes. Okay, it seems like it's getting somewhere. Alright, so as you can tell here, we get a bunch of the boring paperwork that we can set down, and here I have the actual calculator, which is very average. It's just Texas Instruments. It's got a bunch of instructions right here, which will be handy for me. And now, holy smokes, it didn't work in the box, but now it is. I actually remember using this calculator back in previous school years, like for my state testing. As you can tell, this is just what the calculator does, and yeah, I'm curious to see how long this lasts. But again, cheap Texas Instruments calculators do tend to last a while, and maybe after the school year is over, if I need to. Nah, I won't take this apart, but yeah, so. Okay, there we go. Hit seconds and on to turn this off, but as always, thank you all for watching this video. I am the iTunes fanboy, and as always, peace out.